All it took was for me to put a lash on. Alrighty. 12-piece party wing. That was like such a Leo thing to say, I know. I don't care. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually my birthday and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, everything that has gone wrong has gone wrong. Today I'm gonna be putting my wig on and tomorrow y'all are actually gonna watch me put my makeup on. This is what my wig looks like. I'm gonna link this down below. So this is a 30-inch frontal. I dyed my signature green pieces in the front and then I did me a little peekaboo in the back. If you know, you know. Everything is green. My dress is green. I'm gonna install this, a quick little 1-2. I use some type of hairspray, whether it's got to be glued or even. I know we're boycotting even, but I still got this can, y'all. The next step is my cap. Ugh. I am 25 years old today. Who knew that I'd get this far? Instead of using any type of like got to be glued or like any type of holding spray, I've been gluing down my caps instead. And to be honest, the stylists know what they were doing. Maybe I should start listening to people now. Cap is on. Next step in my install is of course lace tint. I have the Red by Kiss lace tinting spray in medium brown. I'm back like 2 hours later. The good thing about curly hair is that I don't have to do a whole lot. Really just have to like flat iron the top. This could really be glueless if I want it. But I'm not gonna make it glueless. I'm gonna glue it down. The parts is given. So if last minute was a person, it would be me. I'm either super last minute or I'm planning months and weeks in advance. Like there's no in between with me. Just go ahead and hot comb this back. This is what my plucking looks like on my head, on my head for real. I think that this is transparent, not HD. It's not my preference, but like it's good. Like you can see that she blends in the way she's supposed to, but I feel like I would have to do even less work if it was HD. She gonna get melted either way. Cutting off my ear tabs right now. I like to cut my ear tabs really like right here. I don't like sideburns. I like to just have my wig stop right here. I'm going to pin this back. I feel like I might have cut it a little bit too short. Who's really gonna be looking in my ears and my ear tabs? Could be a glueless girl, but I don't wanna be a glueless girl. Glue me up. So I'm gonna do 4 layers of glue. The glue that I'm using, this K2's Dream House. She's based in Memphis, Tennessee. I forgot about my skin protectant. K2's Dream House also sells skin protectant. So if you are an eczema girly like me, and literally everything, and I mean everything, irritates your skin, you're gonna need some skin protectant. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, it's still good to use a skin protectant. So like you cleanse your skin before your install in addition to putting a skin protectant on. It makes your install last up to like 4 weeks. And another tip, another wig install tip while I'm here is when you remove your wigs, make sure you use like actual wig remover. People always talk about using like alcohol or something, but in my experience, using alcohol irritated my skin, which like I said, if you don't have sensitive skin, then it doesn't really matter. But I like to use actual lace glue dissolver. So I use C22. C22 works very well for me. It smells good. It doesn't irritate my skin. And I get to keep my edges. This is layer number 1. Okay, this is layer number 4. I always do 4 layers of glue. 4 layers of lace glue lasts me 2 weeks. A big part of it is because I do not sweat on my forehead. ever since Glorilla made that song, it's 7 p.m. Friday, 95 degrees, baby. It's been 95 degrees every day. It's been so hot. Like, I'm 25. People do not see me as an adult. They still see me as a kid. I'm closer to 30 than I am 18. Glue is partially clear. So whenever I install my wigs, somehow my lace glue, it's never clear. But whenever I let it melt, it always looks okay. So this is my version. Like, I'm gonna put my lace band on for a minute. I'm gonna put my spritz on it and then let it sit and then do everything I need to do. You can see that it's like drying. Install is giving per usual. We love the free facelift that a frontal gives. This is technically part 2 of my birthday get ready with me. T-minus 2.5 hours. So that is for me to do my hair and makeup. Well, not necessarily like do my hair. All I have to do is like, well, that's what I be saying all the time. I'm like, all I gotta do is, and then end up taking forever in a day. It's 7:17. I told everybody to get there at 9 o'clock. I'm sorry if I keep like looking like a chicken with his head cut off, because I am really craving some wings right now. I'm not gonna eat at Cache because I heard that their service was bad, and I'm not about to pay even more money because I've been spending so much money. Spent $300 on a booth. I've been buying stuff. I bought my dress. I've done everything. And I just finished putting the feathers together on my dress. The wing place not too far from my house is closed today. When I pulled up and pulled on the door, I almost had a heart attack. I hot combed this because I don't think I hot combed it. I can't wait to get there and have everybody show me love. That was like such a Leo thing to say. I know. I don't care. I'm tired. Like, I don't even want to go. Maybe I need to turn on some music or something. This pump it up spritz. So I've been using spritz lately to kind of like melt my lace. I'm always late to everything. Also, like, look at that melt, baby. Look at that melt. That is all I needed. So I'm about to start my makeup. I'm so glad I decided to do my hair yesterday because I would have been extremely pissed off if I did not. Y'all, I'm hungry. 12-piece party wing, honey gold.
Anything else?
No. Does it come with fries?
It'll be ready about 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you. And it's just that simple. I can't believe those wings didn't come with no fries. I'm supposed to buy fries? It's supposed to be extra. For my brows, I'm using the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in the shade Espresso. Why do I always have trouble saying that? Girl, do I think I'm Ari? Eyebrows arched to the sky, baby. I'm about to carve out my brows with my foundation 338 Coconut Maybelline Fit Me. Get my wings. I'll be back. And we're back. Priming my eyelids. I'm gonna use some concealer to do so. Next is shadow. Yeah, it's just some like random TJ Maxx palette. Look for today is going to be a glitter cut crease. Yes, baby, we are taking it back to 2016 because that's really all I know how to do. carve out my crease using foundation. Honestly, we need to bring back fun makeup. We are bringing back the glitter pigment. I used to be a big glitter pigment girly. Gradients, all that good stuff. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little nervous. I'm nervous. I've never done this before. Well, I'm not nervous, I'm anxious. Put it that way. I'm just a teensy bit anxious. I'm speaking good vibes over my night, you know what I'm saying? I'm so grateful for another year of life. Another year to try again. Just strictly using this as like a map so I can know where to put the glue. Whiskey, whiskey, won't you go away? I don't wonder where she been, where she at. Do I feel like I'm going fast, or did I just start 30 minutes before my start time? Who knows? I'm gonna take some glue and just like trace the line that I already made. Making sure to make it crisp so my lines aren't messy and ugly. And I'm gonna give this maybe like 30 seconds to get tacky before I start putting my glitter on. All right, I got one eye done. And I honestly feel like I should not have put anything right here, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm in a teensy bit of a rush. I'm not gonna like rush, you know what I'm saying? Concealer. Ooh, let me get myself together. Where's my eyeliner? Okay, we getting somewhere. Come on, bright under eye. Hey Siri. How far am I from Cache 42?
Install the health app first.
Girl, what? Oh, I got 30 minutes. Needs to get a move on. It's okay, y'all. We got this. We got this. Okay. I'm finna go ahead and plug turn on my hot comb. I ain't even like get to do the whole like turning up and getting ready thing. Like, why did I just do that? I'm looking for my my powder. Yeah, I got roughly 30 minutes. I might have to get my boo and eat in the parking lot. Great. I got this darker powder from the beauty supply store, so I don't know, but is it flash proof? It's flash proof, baby, because I've never used it yet. I need to stick with the usual, This looks absolutely terrible. Exactly what I didn't want to happen. It looks, I'm internally panicking right now. I'm gonna line my waterline, put my lashes on, and then I can fix my hair, and then we gonna go. I think it's getting better. Is it really? This is the type of birthday makeup that people say that they hate. No, I feel like it might look better than I think it does. I still look cute. And I'm hungry. This is supposed to be fun. Maybe I shouldn't have gone to get wings. Okay, I look pretty. 17 minutes. Oh no, baby, I can't do it. I look cute. All it took was for me to put a lash on. Alrighty. Highlighter, Milani. I look so, ooh, I look gorgeous. The lash just pulls it all together. I was literally panicking. I was panicking. I'm not going to drive in heels. I'm just put my dress on and then put my heels on when I get there. I look beautiful. Happy birthday to me. It is 8:37. I look beautiful. I look beautiful. 20-something. I look good. So this is the makeup look. I need to get ready to go. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.